All right, so we're gonna show you how to apply the oil. You need two things. You need the dry mop with a telescopic pole and the satin oil. Again, not every floor needs to be oiled. We specify which ones are oiled, and so make sure you pay attention to that. This is shell, and we're gonna just oil a small area here in the corner. So there's a couple ways to apply the oil. You can pour the oil onto the pad if you'd like, which some people do, or you can pour it onto the floor. I like pouring it onto the floor, but I want to make sure that I'm down so it doesn't splatter everywhere. And you just work it in. Typically a bottle can oil about 1,500 to 2,000 square feet. You definitely want to use less. You can always apply more later. If you put too much oil on the floor, it's going to get sticky and remain sticky. And the only way to get rid of that is just continue to buff it or do what I'm doing here. It initially changes the color a little bit because it's almost as if the floor is getting wet, which it is, but that's going to dry and it's going to dull a little bit over time. There's a little bit of a glossy finish in the oil right now, but again, it's going to dull over time.